My lord, let me just quickly finish, okay? I'll give you an apple, okay? Be patient, my love, okay? She wants an apple. She wants to sit down. She wants all of your attention. You are just a hera. Shove it up your ass. Hey, sir, shove it up your ass. Oh, no, no. You're here fully giving me your 100% attention. Where's your child? Where's your child? Here. Apple. Okay. But you can come and tell me, face your child. Nonsense. Shut up. What is it, baby? Don't fall my hand, eh? I didn't know how to multitask until I became a mom. Then I became a multitasking machine. Thank God for motherhood. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to do a quick beat. Just a quick one. Idiots. Blocked. I'm sorry, guys. You're only human. The negative comments just jump at you, you know? The positive ones just slide away. Here comes the naked Korra. I know she's back. This is not naked. I'm wearing a one piece. Do you know how conservative this is for me? But I'm just respecting myself. This is even conservative for me. I'm like a good girl. Goody goody two-shoed Korra. For my daddy's sake. I don't think I'm liking this makeup I'm doing. Okay, found it. I need a very nice mascara. Which one do you guys recommend? Lucky up on the far away so. My father would say, Chukwufunaya, I told you to wear clothes. Chukwufunaya, cover your